Hats off, Pac. He's a fucking monster. This shit hard as a bitch. Fuck this nigga up. You ready?
Ready.
Start it over?
It's rolling right now.
Okay. One more time, Berto, man. I'm sorry. Now ever since my birth, I've been cursed since I'm born and wild. I guess I never get to holler at my unborn child. Many things learned in prison, blessed to still living, trying to earn every penny that I'm getting. And reminiscing to the beginning of my mission. When I was conceived and came to be in this position. My mama was a panther loud, single parent, but she growled when she witnessed baby boy rip her crowd. In school, but I dropped out and left the house cause my mama said I'm good for nothing. So I'm out since I only got one life to live. God forgive me for my sins, let me make it and I'll never steal again or deal again. My only friend is my misery, wanting revenge for all the agony they did to me. See, my life ain't promised, but it's sure getting better. Hope you understand my love letter to my unborn child. Yeah.
I think that might be it. You can give me a snap.